Hey everybody, this video is going to show you how to raise your grade for second semester in physics. Now, we've got a couple of things that have changed in Canvas. First of all, I changed the homepage so that you will see some basic instructions about A, what we know about the rest of the school year so far, and then B, how to actually raise your grade. And then there's a reminder of what those SEPs are that you are actually being graded on. Now, there are two ways to raise your grade. And you've got to go in and check your grade first. And there's a different video to show you how to do that. And make sure you know which of the SEPs you need to work on and bring up to at least a 3 or higher. Remember, your goal is a 3 or higher in all SEPs. That's how you get your A in the class. Now, first things first, if you have old assignments and they're partially done or mostly done even, your best bet is going to be to finish those and then turn those in Canvas just like normal. That's going to be the way to raise your grade with the least amount of work and probably get there the fastest. However, if you don't have those assignments or you haven't started them, I'm giving you over the next week and a half or so some different options, some assignments that might be a little bit easier for you to do from home. Okay. And to get access to those, what you're going to do is actually go to a place over here that we haven't really done a lot with, and that's called modules right here. When you click on modules, it's going to bring up, right now, you're only going to see SEP1 right here. Over the next week or so, as I get these kind of built out, I'm going to drop in SEP2 through 8. But for right now, you'll see SEP1. It may show up, either opened up or not. And if you open it up, you will see instructions for that SEP, and then you'll see a whole bunch of submission options. You're not going to need all of these, probably. I just put a bunch in there because you may need to do work on an SEP more than once to get it to a 3 or higher where you want it to be. Now, first things first, you're always going to check on the instructions. So you're going to open that up, and it tells you for SEP1, you have two different options. You have a lab or a simulation option and a video assignment option. You're going to pick one of these to start. And if you choose the lab option, here are 4 possible labs. You're only going to choose one of those. And the first 3 will get you SEP1 coverage. But this last lab, you can do SEP1 if you just follow the instructions below. But you can also raise your grade on these other SEPs if you also do the lab worksheet and turn it in. So that gives you an option if you need to raise more than one at a time. This is one way that you can maybe do that. Whichever one you choose, you're then going to follow the directions, and it tells you to upload your answer file in the appropriate assignment. This is just instructions. You're not going to be able to submit anything from this page. So I'll show you where you'll go here in just a minute. If you choose the video option, you're just going to follow the directions. You're going to go through, pick one of these different channels on YouTube, find a video that meets the criteria here and kind of is interesting to you, follow the directions, and again, it wants you to upload. Now, to upload, go back to modules. Slowly, come on, there we go. And you have these different options. If you did the lab, you can do the lab up to 2 times. If you did the video, you can do the video up to 2 times. The first time, you're just going to hit submission 1. If you did the lab, you are going to see all the instructions there, but now you'll see the box to submit your actual assignment. Okay? This is how it works. So everything in modules right now, or just finish the old assignments. Either way, the goal is to get that A for this semester. I'll talk to you soon, guys.